Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rebekah Cing, aka Nau Cing. Today I'm gonna be cutting my hair. Yes. And recently I posted on my Instagram like a poll, and then 61% voted saying don't cut your hair, and then 39% say yes, cut your hair. But at the end of the day, I'm still deciding to cut my hair. That's how long it is, guys. How long it is. And I'm gonna cut it like to like shoulder length, like right here or so. And also I'm gonna be highlighting my hair for my first time, so I'm kind of excited. And my sister will be recording me at the salon. People allow, like, you know, a video and like recording video. But yeah guys, I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are excited for me. And don't worry about my acne, guys. Yes, thank y'all so much. Stay tuned. Show you guys how long my hair is. Mine's a little with the white thing. So that's how long my hair is. So we're aiming to go for like over here, shoulder length, maybe for the highlight. So yeah. Alright guys, we had to wait. My appointment time was like at 10:45, so we got like we were early for like about more than 30 minutes early. So yeah, so they tell us to wait outside. I mean, not wait outside, wait inside your car, but we don't care. We're just gonna wait outside here. Alright, but I'm really excited. I don't know what I don't know, like, I can't even talk right now. I don't know if I'll look good, you know guys. Like, I have this. What?
You never showed me what you're doing.
I know, I will show you, but like, I just felt like I don't know if it'll look good. Like, you know, those like that feeling, like I don't know if it's gonna look good. That's why, like, I had this hair since like last year, right, Mama? Summer, right?
I think so.
Right? Or this year, January. I feel like it's last year or this year beginning, or whatever. I think it's last year, but yeah, it's almost a year old. I think it's over a year old, and it's pretty long. And I'm really excited, and plus it's gonna be my first time getting a highlight, so I'm really excited too, guys. So right now, putting highlights on and putting this for like 10 minutes. Hope it's gonna go well. I am so freaking nervous, guys. Like, I don't know, but I just hope that was gonna turn out really good. And my the person that did my stylist, she's so nice, she's so cool. Her name is Rebekah, guys. Oh my god, just like my YouTube channel name. Okay, she's really sweet and super nice, and she's gonna help me get the best hairstyle, I guess, the best highlight too. Alright guys, peace. Okay guys, now I don't know what we're doing, but she's gonna tell us.
We're glazing it. We're gonna put a glaze on
that's what she said. Alright, so that's what it looks like right now, but that's not gonna be the color.
It lifted so good.
Yeah, that's what she said. I don't know what all those mean, but I'm excited, and I can't wait to show you guys on my Instagram and on my YouTube. So I'll see you guys again. Ooh, it's hot. So guys, she just glazed my hair, so that's how it looks like right now. But you know, maybe I could see it. That's how it looks like. Let me see, put more color. Yeah. That's how it's gonna be, like really soft brown. I'm super excited, and I just want to get over it. And my hair is pretty short now, guys, and I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm so excited. So guys, this is my new hair color. That's how it looks like. I really love it. I think it's really cute. I don't know what y'all think, but just let me know. It's so cute for me. I really like it. I hope you guys like it. Hey. You done? Mm-hmm. Okay guys, this is how it looks. This is how short it is when you curl it. But it is short. And then this is how it looks like. Is it cute? Yeah. Do you like it though, Mama? I like it. Hey guys, I just got home. We weren't there. My appointment time was like around 10:45, so we just got back home. So it literally took us like over like almost 2 hours, right, Mama? I think it almost took us like over 2 hours. But this is the final looks right here. That's how it looks like. This is how it look like. And she also like styled it for me, curled it for me. So this is how it look like. Sorry, I'm eating something. And guys, thank you so much for watching my.
It looks like so many times.
Okay, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And please, guys, comment down below. I want to see what you guys think of. Like, do you guys think it looks good on me? Like the length and the color. Do you think it looks good on me? Please, guys, let me know how I look like. It don't matter. It has to be negative, positive. I don't care. I just want y'all to comment it and tell me what it looks like. Or do you actually want me to have a long hair? Like y'all prefer long hair with me or something, or like original organic hair color, not highlights. Cause this is my first time highlighting as well.
Organic, really?
Yeah, original organic. Okay, you shut up. My sister's talking. Alright guys, thank you so much and have a great day, and thank you for coming by and stopping by. Bye y'all.